Hey, what's up, y'all? So, several months ago, I had a realization, kind of. You know, a lot of you guys have your own YouTube channels, and I watch, a lot of y'all's videos when I have a chance to. And in the locksmith trade, there are locksmiths that, have been working for a short time all the way up to many, many years who have trouble picking locks to get in, for customers. And some of them just automatically drill, some of them only give it a few minutes. I personally spend 3 to 10 minutes, depending on, number one, if I have a replacement lock or cylinder. But there are a whole host of reasons why, when you get a call out to a customer's house, why you can't get into a lock, why you can't pick a lock, not counting smart key, of course. But I realized that there is a missing element for locksmiths, and I want to go over that with you. There are many factors into play when you get called out to a house. There's weather, cold rain, customer's in a hurry, customer has kids that are screaming, and they could have ice cream in their car that's melting. There's any number of reasons. I've seen it all. There's any number of reasons why you might have trouble physically at a door getting into a lock. So, I made kind of a connection between some of my friends' YouTube videos and the reason why locksmiths have trouble picking locks, and something that could help them. So without further ado, let's go over just a couple examples of what I think is missing from locksmiths' toolkits. Okay guys, so if you are one of those locksmiths that has trouble picking locks, you're not good at it, get you one of these bad boys, throw it in your pick kit, and next time you're having trouble with one, clamp it up to it, see how you do then. So, appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them in the comments section, and thanks again for watching.